Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSHIBA AT10 A and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's localize build number, it should be at the very bottom of the screen, and then keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see in this left section, the developer options will immediately appear above the About tablet. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some advanced options, settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to don't keep activities, we can manage the window animation scale, we can show layout bounds, pointer location, etc. If you want to turn on the option, simply tap on this option and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from and to customize. If you want to turn off the developer options because you're done with customization, simply tap on this on/off option, and basically the developer options should disappear from this list. Of course, you can customize them again just by tapping on the build number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.